The story of Tesseract runs through the whole MCU, and although it was destroyed by Thanos, the Space to Stone's journey might not be over. This is me, Dikshant, and this is my channel Infinity Talk. So today we are talking about history of Tesseract in MCU. So let's begin. The Tesseract or Space Stone has appeared throughout the history of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The ancient history of the Infinity Stones is something of a mystery even after all this time. According to the collector in Guardian of the Galaxy, the Infinity Stones originated from the universe before the current one. They somehow survived the big crunch of their universe and the Big Bang that created the new. It's generally assumed the Celestials were the one who did this. The Celestials existed when the universe was young and they have been associated with several of the Infinity Stones. The collector showed chilling footage of the Power Stone being used to judge entire worlds. While in Avengers Endgame, Nebula described the Soul Stone as being hidden on Vormir, the center of celestial civilization. The Space Stone became the Tesseract and it was secreted on Asgard. The Tesseract remained hidden until 1942 when it was recovered by the Red Skull and the forces of Hydra. The Red Skull believed the myths of Asgard and the Norse gods contained the seeds of truth, and he had discovered the existence of the cult of the Odin at Tonsberg. The Red Skull learned the secret of the universe, including the existence of Infinity Stones. In Captain America, the first Avenger, Hydra learned how to use the Tesseract power into devastating weapons. In the final battle between Captain America and the Red Skull made the mistake of handling the Tesseract and he was transported to the distant and deserted world of Vormir, where he would live his life in the presence of the Soul Stone. The Tesseract was lost in the ocean, recovered by Howard Stark sometime later as he attempted to find Captain America's body. In 1989, 6 years before the events of Captain Marvel created a prototype ship powered by Tesseract. Unfortunately, it was shot down by Kree, and Marvel was killed. Her pilot, Carol Danvers, was irradiated with Tesseract energy and granted phenomenal powers. Marvel had taken the Tesseract, hiding it aboard a cloaked ship in orbit around Earth. It was lost for years. In Captain Marvel, Tesseract was swallowed by Goose and alien Flerken and some time later was vomited back upon Nick Fury's desk at S.H.I.E.L.D. in Captain Marvel's end credit scene. Later, the Tesseract appeared in Thor, a movie generally believed to be set in 2011. Its existence was first used in a book on Norse mythology, which showed an old sketch of Odin using it. The post-credit scene saw Nick Fury recruit Eric Selvig to Project Pegasus, revealing the Tesseract to him. At the end of Thor, Loki was cast into the multiverse. He was discovered by Thanos and used his knowledge of the Tesseract to persuade the Mad Titan to spare his life. Loki traveled to Earth and stole the Tesseract from Project Pegasus at the beginning of the Avengers, destroying the entire facility in a burst of Tesseract energy. He then combined the power of the Tesseract and his scepter, actually the Mind Stone, to create a massive portal in the skies over New York. Fortunately, the Avengers assembled to save the day, and Thanos' story army was dealt a grievous blow. Thor used the Tesseract to return to Asgard with Loki as his prisoner, and according to the Thor, the Dark World, Odin used the Tesseract to rebuild the Bifrost Bridge. He then secreted it away in his vault, where it lay until Thor Ragnarok, where it was once again stolen by Loki. Avengers Infinity War opened with half of the Asgardians refugees slaughtered at Thanos' hand, and Loki was forced to hand the Tesseract over by Thanos. He learned to combine the Space Stone and the Power Stone to torture his daughter Nebula, and later to drag a moon out of orbit and toss it at the Avengers in battle on Titan. Ultimately, Thanos succeeded in his insane mission. He collected all the Infinity Stones and combined their power to destroy half the life in the universe. As revealed in Avengers Endgame, he then destroyed the Infinity Stones, believing that would prevent anyone reversing what he had done. Fortunately for the cosmos, the Avengers used time travel to retrieve the Tesseract from elsewhere in the timeline and achieved the impossible. The Avengers' time travel exploits unwittingly created a new timeline, one in which Loki escaped immediately after the Battle of New York. With the Tesseract in his possession, there are reports Loki will learn how to use the Tesseract to travel through time, explaining his time travel exploits in the upcoming Disney Plus Loki series. Assuming the series ends with his Loki arriving in the main MCU timeline, he will presumably bring his Tesseract with him. Thank you for watching this video.